Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to delete a message for everyone in a group chat on the Messenger app for PC. If you've ever sent something you regretted, this feature is a lifesaver. Let's walk through the steps to ensure your messages are handled properly. First, open the Messenger app on your PC. If you haven't updated it recently, make sure you have the latest version installed to access all the new features. Once you're in, you'll see your list of conversations on the left side of the screen. Next, find and open the group conversation, where the message or photo you want to delete is located. Take your time to scroll through your chats until you see the right group. Once you've opened the conversation, look for the specific message or photo you'd like to remove. Now, right-click on that message or photo. This action will bring up a menu with several options for you to choose from. From this menu, select Remove for Everyone. This option is essential, as it ensures that the message is deleted not only from your view, but also from everyone else in the group chat. It's a great way to correct any mistakes and keep the conversation clear. Finally, click Remove to confirm your decision. Once you do this, the message will disappear from the entire group chat, leaving no trace behind. It's a quick process that can make a big difference, especially in group settings where communication is key. To recap the steps, first, open the Messenger app on your PC. Then, navigate to the group conversation. Right-click on the message or photo you want to delete. Select Remove for Everyone. And finally, click Remove to confirm. And that's it. Being able to delete messages for everyone in a group chat is a powerful feature that helps maintain clarity and avoid misunderstandings. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on using your favorite apps effectively. See you next time.